Kyle Echarri is a Filipino-American singer and actor. He was born on June 20, 2003 in Orange County, California, United States. Echarri released his first full-length studio album, It's Me Kyle, on August 26, 2016 under MCA Music, a Universal Music Group company in the Philippines. He is originally from Orange County, California, but his family moved to Cebu City, Philippines in June 2014. His younger sister Bella has been featured in his YouTube videos. He dated Francine Diaz. In 2016, Echarri opened the Manila Tour show for the American singer, songwriter and YouTube viral hit artist Greyson Chance. In mid-2018, Echarri became a member of a teen pop group titled ASAP G. The group formed on June 3, 2018 and disbanded in November 2018 when the show was reformatted into ASAP Nation 2. A commemorative album was then released by MCA Music featuring Kyle Echarri's performances tracks Got to Believe in Magic and Hero. On a guesting in Magandang Buhay, Echarri clarified that he and Filomeno are friends, explaining that their closeness was because they both went through a time in showbiz where netizens treated them on a bad light and through PBB felt like they have to prove something and fighting for our spot inside the house. His love team with Diaz dissipated after his eviction as she moved on to other projects, including one with Echarri's fellow housemate Katie Estrada. Kyle Echarri made his first theatrical stint as master conductor in Ako A. C. Josephine, a musical show featuring the hits of a Filipino pop rock singer-songwriter, Ian Constantino. In December 2016, he was cast in Ballet Philippines, awaiting more at Isa Saya Ko, a new dance musical featuring the songs of VST and Co. at the Cultural Center of the Philippines Main Theater in the role of Lito. After season 2 of The Voice Kids, Kyle was cast in the top-rating ABS-CBN teleseries On the Wings of Love as Brent Watt, the half-brother of Nadine Lustra's character Leah Oliver. In May 2016, he became part of ABS-CBN's Filipino reality music competition show We Love OPM, hosted by Ann Curtis with his teammates. In 2018, he was cast as Miguel in an MMK episode entitled Hapag Kanan. From 2018 to 2020, he was cast as Christoph Tizada in Kedenang Jinto. In 2019, he starred alongside his on-screen partner, Francine Diaz as Shark in a digital movie, Silly Red Shoes, directed by James Robin Mayo. In 2021, Kyle Echarri is one of the main cast of Huwag Kang Mangamba, a primetime inspirational teleseries hit, starring alongside the Gold Squad, who is composed of this generation's most popular young actors. Echarri entered as a housemate of Community Season 10 Celebrity Edition, having previously entered as a house guest with the Gold Squad in Pinoy Big Brother Otso. He was the fourth evictee of the edition and he was nominated by almost all of his housemates due to his over-competitiveness and unwillingness to play fair.